and innovation. Today, Rwanda stands as a beacon of hope, an example to the world of the power of forgiveness and the indomitable spirit of humanity. The smiles of its children, the unity of its communities, and the ongoing efforts towards peace and development all paint a picture of a nation that has not only survived, but thrived. Of Rwanda is a city that embodies the nation's spirit of progress and resilience. Clean, modern and safe, Kigali is a testament to Rwanda's remarkable transformation. Skyscrapers rise against a backdrop of rolling hills, while bustling markets and trendy cafes line the streets. Yet Kigali does not shy away from its past. The Kigali Genocide Memorial stands as a powerful reminder of the atrocities committed during the 1994 genocide. It is a place of reflection, remembrance, and a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. Visiting the memorial is a deeply moving experience, a reminder of the importance of peace, unity, and forgiveness. Embracing a green future ecotourism in Rwanda. Rwanda is at the forefront of sustainable tourism in Africa. The country has made significant strides in protecting its natural heritage and promoting responsible travel. Eco-friendly lodges and camps are nestled within the country's most stunning landscapes, offering visitors a chance to experience Rwanda's beauty while minimizing their impact on the environment. Reforestation projects are breathing new life into once degraded areas, while community-based tourism initiatives empower local communities and provide them with a stake in the tourism industry. By choosing eco-friendly options, visitors can contribute to Rwanda's conservation efforts and support its journey towards a greener future. Rising from the ashes, a testament to the human spirit. Rwanda's journey has been one of immense pain and extraordinary recovery. The 1994 genocide left an indelible scar on the nation's psyche, claiming the lives of nearly 1 million people. Yet, from the ashes of unimaginable tragedy, Rwanda has risen, demonstrating the extraordinary resilience of the human spirit. Through unity, forgiveness, and reconciliation, Rwanda has rebuilt itself, transforming into a beacon of hope and progress. The country's commitment to peace-building and national unity is an inspiration to the world, a testament to the power of the human spirit to overcome even the darkest of times. A journey of hope and healing. Visiting Rwanda is more than just a trip. It is a journey of discovery, both personal and profound.